got a ticket, yeah. Solar plexus got me feeling like my season, yeah. Go on places like we running out of visa street. Already villains, I just need a fucking reason, yeah. Yeah, again. Oh, it's like that. Oh, it's like that. It's like that, like that. They got bullets that go rash, what's the move? Yeah, tell them how I be the fucking reason, yeah. Is that where I come in? That's where the verse starts. Oh, but I want verse though. Cause you've been taking too many first verses, nigga. You can't take all the first verses, nigga. Damn. Leave some for the rest of us. Shit. Simon trying to kill all his Kenyan cousins up in here. Y'all niggas ain't ready. Y'all niggas ain't ready. Yeah. Tell them how I been. If you headed to the top, I got a ticket, yeah. Solar plexus got me feeling like my season, yeah. Go on places like we running out of visa straight. War ready villains, I just need a fucking reason, yeah. If you headed to the top, I got a ticket, yeah. Solar plexus got me all up in my feelings, yeah. You can see inside my iris, got that vision, yeah. War ready villains, I just need a fucking reason, yeah. Yeah. Let's see how that did. Yeah. On that real shit, nice cool. On that real shit, be on that deep shit. Yeah. Tell them how I been. If you headed to the top, I got a ticket, yeah. Solar plexus got me feeling like my season, yeah. Go on places like we running out of visa straight. War ready villains, I just need a fucking reason, yeah. If you headed to the top, I got a ticket, yeah. Solar plexus got me all up in my feelings, yeah. You can see inside my iris, got that vision, yeah. War ready villains, I just need a fucking reason, yeah. Right? Yeah. I need to do some ad-libs and one harmony, and then it's all you, my G. Then it's all you, my G.
Wagwan gaming while I mean art gang.
Simon's writing his verse, getting ready to lace on the fucking track.
This is how I get on.
This is how man gets into his zone.
I get into it, man.
Playing Mario Bros and
yeah,
shit.
you know, sometimes you gotta represent the different factions of art gang in one place, you know.
Play City! Play City 101.
Talking about.
It's not fun if you're not having a good time.
You know? Talk about it.
Alright, let me hear this. 2, 3. You go to number 3. And it's a rap. My iris got that vision, yeah. We're already villains, I just need a fucking reason, yeah. Gang. I just want to see the new city can. When they ask you, I am you still leader. Big fucking problem. That's your around with me. Big hundred, big popular, where we at? Yeah. 2 for the 10 toes, hood with it, never fold, know some. Hold on, let me restart. Simeezy! Yeah. You ready, boy? Yes, sir. Know some shooters, shoot bullets, but they're cops. So it's safe, it's legal. Yeah, it's legal. It's safe. You might just get hit with a Rico. Yeah. Yeah. 2 for the 10 toes, hood with it, never fold, know some shooters, shoot bullets, they get them both, shoulda cut with a 2 clipper, we got hits and we got hitters, I said we 2-footed, never fold, we think bigger, you see a shark, I'm a big swimmer, never drown, just a big dripper, your ugly ass need a big filter, art gang talk big figures. Yeah. Solar plexus got me feeling like my season. Yeah. Ready villains, I just need a fucking reason. Yeah. I gotta. Yeah. Wait, solar plexus. Feelings. Yeah. Ooh. Hey, look at those fucking waves, boy. We got Big Falco in the house. The CEO just walked in. What's Gucci, man? Cold, bro. Man's out here looking like 50 Cent with all them bullet holes and shit.
Feel me?
Coming straight out the trap.
Y'all niggas streaming and shit.
We out here dreaming and shit. Creaming and shit. Peaching and shit. Whoa, that doesn't sound right.
Shit.
Ain't nobody
Became
creaming shit. Come on.
so quickly, man.
That went south real fast. Never drown. I just big dripping shit. Simeezy always coming through with these lines, bro. Simeezy always coming through with the lines, bro. Like he doing lines, bro. You ain't doing lines, right?
No, not today. Kill his lines like a drag addict.
Hey. Alright, let's hear that shit.
There's a joint. I can smell that lala.
You about a couple minutes too late. You gonna have to wait for the next train.
Nah, bro. Niggas smoking, no niggas can watch me smoke, dog.
Fuck you mean,
Crazy.
nigga?
That's a crazy solution to a problem.
That's a
bro.
problem to a problem.
I want to finish this joint.
That's like, bro, we got a problem. You gotta solve? Nah, I got a problem for your problem.
Nah, bro.
Yo, let me smoke it. You guys watch this. Yo.
Nigga say y'all got needs?
Nah, Kels, you know I do the same, bro. I haven't smoked the whole day. Come on, dog.
Nigga say y'all. Nigga say y'all got needs.
He said oaks.
I don't give a
It's
fuck about your
serious.
needs.
Oaks.
Oh shit, you
It's
at Kenna
serious.
Kingdom, nigga.
A what?
At Kenna Kingdom.
Yeah.
Nigga, you in the hood? You ain't even hit it.
My nigga, that's my hood. Fuck you mean, bro? You know I live over there.
Nah, that's my hood now.
Nah, it's always my hood, bro.
I run that section.
You a tourist, nigga. You a visitor. You a foreigner, my nigga.
Nigga, they don't even know you at Kenna.
They know me everywhere, my
They don't know you
nigga.
at Kenna.
If you in
When
Randburg,
you get there, they'll be like, hey, yo,
okay,
what's
yeah. That spot they don't know me at, cause it's new.
Exactly.
They fucking just arrived, bro.
I with the old, you need the new, cuz.
I bet. Say that to the OGs, my nigga. The OGs stay the OGs. We get triple OG, nigga.
The OG's left.
Nah, the OGs are still there. I was there yesterday. Fuck you mean. See, you not inside, bro. You are not within, dog.
Nah, I don't know the old wave. I'm with the new wave.
Nah, the new wave is a baby wave. It's a chill wave. It's a tsunami where we at, my nigga. We been running the streets, nigga. It's some generational shit, nigga.
I don't even know.
Simeezy in the cut. You heard it here
It's
first.
in my sweater, nigga. I survived them bullets, nigga. I don't die, nigga.
Walked in breathing.
This nigga,
holes in these
this
bars.
nigga got more holes than a fucking. Yeah, let me not say that on camera.
Nigga, what were you gonna say, bro?
Nigga, you could fit a camera through your holes, bro. Look at that shit.
Don't say it like that.
This nigga is a survivor. What else can you fit through them holes? What them holes do?
Wow.
This nigga spit so many bars, he got holes in his shirt because he spitting through all the holes through his shirt, my nigga. This nigga spitting through the pores, my nigga.
You getting canceled on Twitch.
Nigga, I can't get canceled.
It's kick now. 300 million.
You got 300 million subscribers already?
No.
Yo, Simon is moving different, guys. Nigga got 300 million subscribers on Kick. He's kicking your ass. That's what he's doing.
I didn't.
Which
one
one
is
is better, Kick or Rumble?
Which one is better, Kick or Rumble, Simon? You got so many subscribers
I
on that
like
shit.
Kick. I
You
don't
like
have
Kick?
Any subscribers, but I like Kick. I like Kick. Kick is fine. It's easy to use.
I just be on everything. I just post my shit everywhere and wait for a fish to bite the bait. You know what I'm saying?
I dropped my sex tape on Kick.
My fucking brain is twitching. See, talking about Twitch and shit. Too much twitching going around, man. This ain't the Twitch. This ain't a Twitch. Is this a Twitch? Are you twitching, Zazie? You twitching? You twitching, my nigga? You twitching, my nigga Falco? You twitching, my nigga Simeezy? Ain't nobody twitching out here. We kicking it, though. We kicking it. But I'm not on Kick, though, but we kicking it.
How was